Good morning, my dear students. Hope all of you are well. Welcome to the chemistry class. In my previous class, already we have completed the syllabus and whole book. Okay, that means your annual exam portion completed. And today I'll discuss some answers, okay, of your board specimen paper. Okay, so today we'll discuss that class 9 ICSE specimen question paper answers. Okay, questions, specimen question solution. Okay, already I have shared, and if you go to the ICSE website and if you download it, okay, then you will get this question paper. Here I will write all the question also. Two section is there. First section containing 40 marks and second section also 40 marks. And in the first section there will be how many questions in the specimen paper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There are 8 types of questions. And section 2, each question is 10 mark. And 6 questions will be given. You have to write the answer of only 4 questions. That is 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So first question is given, fill in the blanks. So I am discussing now section 1. Section 1. Okay. First question is given, fill in the blanks. With the correct choice given in brackets. Okay. First question is given, in an ionic compound the bond is formed due to dash of electron. Answers are given here, sharing or transfer. So definitely here your answer will be transfer of electron. So this is your answer, transfer of electron. Okay, because you know that ionic bonds are formed by transfer of electron and covalent bonds are formed by sharing of electron. Next question is given, zinc is dash reactive than aluminium. Here options are given, less or more. Okay, so if you look at the metal activity series, magic, you have to remember this word, magic, M-A-Z-I-C. Spelling is different, okay. So M is what? Magnesium, A is aluminium, and Z is zinc. So definitely, okay, aluminium is placed, okay, above zinc. Okay, so aluminium reactivity will be higher compared to the zinc. As aluminium reactivity is higher compared to the zinc. So here you have to write zinc is less reactive. Okay, less reactive you have to write. Okay, zinc is less reactive than aluminium. Next question. The chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is known as dash reaction. Okay, options are given: endothermic or exothermic. Okay, so the chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed is known as endothermic or exothermic. Definitely it will be, the answer will be endothermic reaction. Okay, generally in case of exothermic reaction heat will be released, and in case of endothermic reaction heat will be absorbed. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next question given, question number 4. The molecular formula of ammonium sulfate is dash. Options are given: NH4, SO4 or NH4 whole twice SO4. Now here you have to apply the crisscross method. Okay, ammonium valency will be 1 and sulfate valency will be 2. Definitely its formula will be NH4 whole twice SO4. Okay. Next, question number 5. If an element has 2 electrons in its outermost shell, then it is likely to be dash. Options are given: metallic and non-metallic. Metallic or non-metallic. Okay, so definitely 2 electrons means definitely group 2 elements. Okay, they are metallic, so you have to write this one. Metallic is the correct answer. Next, another type of questions given. MCQ type question. Okay, B. Choose the correct answer. Okay, here it is given. Choose the correct answer. Okay. First question is given: the gas that causes the greenhouse effect. The gas that causes greenhouse effect. Okay, here options are given: A, oxygen, B, ammonia, C. Methyl, and D. Hydrogen sulfide. Okay, in this case, definitely your answer will be the methane. Oxygen, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide. Okay, they have no contribution towards global warming. They are not greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are methane, chlorofluorocarbons. Greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, ozone, water vapor, nitrous oxide. Okay. So here methane is the correct answer. Next question is given that according to the modern periodic table or modern periodic law is given. The properties of element are a periodic function of their dash. Options are given: atomic volume, option B is atomic number, option C is given atomic weight, option D is given mass number. Definitely here, according to the modern periodic table, okay, atomic number is the fundamental property. Okay, so here answer will be the atomic number. Okay, according to the modern periodic law, the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. This is the correct answer. Next question given. Which of the following has water of crystallization? Water of crystallization. Options are given: potassium chloride. Okay. Option B is given sodium chloride. Option C is given sodium nitrate. Here actually it is given in the name. I am writing the formula. Okay. Sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Option D is given washing soda. Washing soda formula you know, Na2CO3 dot 10H2. So definitely this will be the answer. Okay. Here washing soda contains water of crystallization. Okay. Next question given: the gas which has a rotten smell is dash. Option A hydrogen sulfide, option B is given ammonia, option C is given sulfur dioxide, and option D is given hydrogen chloride. So all of you know that hydrogen sulfide, okay, has the smell of rotten eggs. Okay, so rotten egg smell, answer will be the hydrogen sulfide. Next question number 5. The temperature 0 degree centigrade on the Kelvin scale is equal to dash. Okay, options are given minus 273 Kelvin. Option B is given 273 Kelvin. Option C is given 0 Kelvin. And option D is given here 100 Kelvin. Definitely the temperature 0 degree centigrade you have to convert into Kelvin scale. Definitely it will be 273 Kelvin. Hope you can understand. So in this way we have also completed the MCQ type of question. Next question is given, name the gas evolved in each of the following. Question C. Name the gas evolved in each of the following. Cases. Okay. First question is given, that one, copper carbonate is heated strongly. Copper carbonate is heated strongly. So copper carbonate is CuCO3. If we apply heat, okay, definitely it will produce what? Okay, so here you have to write the gas. So here you have to write the carbon dioxide gas. So carbon dioxide gas will evolve. Okay. So next question number 2 is given, action of dilute hydrochloric acid on sodium sulfide. Action of dilute hydrochloric acid on sodium sulfide. Definitely whenever you will add dilute HCl, it will produce sulfur dioxide gas. Okay. So actually the reaction will be like this, Na2SO3 will react with HCl forming NaCl plus SO2 plus H2O. Here you have to put 2. So Na2 and there will be twice NaCl and this is the SO2. Okay. And this one is H2. Okay. So sulfur dioxide gas will evolve. Okay. So you have to write only the name of the gas. Next 3. Nitrogen combines with hydrogen. Nitrogen combines with hydrogen. Okay. So in this case, what gas? So nitrogen gas is combining with hydrogen gas by Haber's process forming ammonia gas. So your answer will be the ammonia gas. Okay. Next question number 4. Question number 4 is given, account of dilute sulfuric acid on sodium carbonate. Action of dilute sulfuric acid on sodium carbonate. Action of dilute sulfuric acid on sodium carbonate. Okay, so here what will be your answer? So if you add dilute sulfuric to sodium carbonate, there will be formation of carbon dioxide gas. Hope you can understand. Addition of sodium to cold water. Addition of sodium to cold water. So definitely if you add sodium to cold water, it will produce sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So you name the gas, you have to write hydrogen gas. Okay. So in this way you also have completed the question number C. Next, another type of question is given. Question number D. First question number D is given. Give a reason for each of the following. Give a reason for each of the following. Okay. First question given. Noble gases do not combine with other elements to form molecules. Noble gases do not combine with other elements to form molecules. Okay. So what is the noble gas? All of you know. Noble gas are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So their octet is filled up. That means outermost shell is filled up. So this electronic configuration is very much stable. I am not writing because you have to write elaborately. So these noble gases have stable electronic configuration. Okay, that is why they are not transferring electron or sharing electrons. Okay, that is why noble gases do not combine with other elements to form molecules. But I am again telling you one exception is there. That is the drastic condition. That means in high temperature and high pressure, okay, there are so many xenons compounds, okay, because when you are going down, their ionization potential value decreases, okay, so in drastic condition they can react and they can form compound. Xenons have oxyfluoride, xenons oxides are now we have prepared, okay. So, but according to your level, you will write that their outermost shell is completely filled with electrons and they are obeying that rule of duplet and octet, okay. That means their octet is filled up or duplet is filled up and this electronic configuration is very much stable. That is why they are not combining with other elements. Now one question, so here also we can discuss that sometimes we can ask in chemical bonding why elements are forming bond, like sodium and chlorine is forming that ionic compound, like chlorine is forming covalent compound, Cl2 is forming, okay, because their octet is not filled up. They want to get the nearest noble gas configuration, stable configuration by sharing of electron or by transferring of electron, okay, or by donation of electron. Generally three types of bonds are there in your syllabus, okay. One is covalent bond, coordinate bond and ionic bond, okay. So this is your answer, hope you can understand. Next question is given, question number 2. Dilute nitric acid cannot be used in preparation of hydrogen. Dilute nitric acid cannot be used in the preparation of hydrogen. Okay, dilute nitric acid cannot be used in the preparation of hydrogen because nitric acid is a very good oxidizing agent. Okay, so this nitric acid, okay, when it will react with metal, it can form hydrogen, but it will be oxidized to water. Okay, hydrogen will, and there will be formation of different oxides on nitrogen. Okay, but if you take 1% very dilute nitric acid, okay, then magnesium and manganese can form hydrogen gas. Okay, because at this very low concentration, this oxidizing property of nitric acid is lost. Okay, that is why they are forming hydrogen gas, but others are not forming any hydrogen gas. Okay, when you are taking the dilute nitric acid. Next question is given: hydrogen, although lighter than air, hydrogen, although lighter than air, is not collected by downward displacement of air. Okay, actually if you collect hydrogen gas, okay, as it's lighter than air, by downward displacement of air, then there is a mixture of air and hydrogen gas. Air contains oxygen, so oxygen hydrogen mixture is very much explosive, okay, because if there is little bit of flame, okay, or spark, it will catch fire and burst like a bomb. That is why to avoid accident, okay, this is not done. Hydrogen gas is generally collected, okay, by the downward displacement of water. Hope you can understand. Next, question number 4. Anhydrous calcium chloride turns into colorless solution when exposed to air. Anhydrous calcium chloride turns into a colorless solution when exposed to air. Okay, actually anhydrous calcium chloride is a delineation compound, okay, delineation compound. So it will absorb moisture from the air and there will be formation of a saturated solution, okay. That is why it turns colorless, okay, when exposed to dry air, okay. They will, again I am telling, the anhydrous calcium chloride, okay, can be used as drying agent, okay, and it is absorbing moisture. If it absorbs a huge amount of moisture, then as its because of its delineation property, okay, it will absorb the moisture and dissolve in this moisture, dissolve in water, okay, and turns into a liquid saturated solution. That is why, okay, anhydrous calcium chloride turns into a colorless solution when exposed to air. Next question given: metals form positive ions. It is the tendency of metals, okay, they are losing electron because their ionization potential or ionization energy is low, okay. Suppose you can think about sodium, its valence shell containing 1 electron. Then magnesium is there, its valence shell contains 2 electron. And aluminium is there, its valence shell contains 3 electrons. So elements having the valence shell electron 1, 2, 3, they are metals, their ionization potential is very low. If they release 1 electron, in case of sodium, in case of magnesium it releases 2 electron, in case of aluminum it releases 3 electron, it will get the nearest noble gas stable electronic configuration. That is why metals form positive ions. Hope you can understand. And non-metals are forming negative ions because they, suppose we can think about chlorine, fluorine, okay, in the outermost shell or valence shell containing 7 electrons, they will accept 1 electron, okay, and get the nearest noble gas structure and forming that anion, okay. That is non-metals forms anions and metals forms positive ions, okay. Next question is observation based question. What do you observe? Question E. What do you observe when option 1 is given? Iodine crystals are heated in a test tube. Already in practical video I have shown that if you heat iron crystal, it has sublimation property, and definitely it will directly go from solid state to gaseous states, and there will be formation of deep violet vapors. Okay. So you will observe a formation of deep violet vapor. Okay. Next question. Iron nails are added to copper sulfate. Iron nails are added to copper sulfate solution. Okay. Iron nails are added to copper sulfate solution. Here what you will write, copper sulfate is blue in color. If you place some iron nail, iron is more active, okay, or more reactive, okay, it will displace the copper, and there will be formation of ferrous sulfate. The reaction is like this. If you look at the metal activity series, iron is placed above copper, okay. So definitely iron is more reactive, it will displace the copper forming ferrous sulfate, and there will be precipitation of copper metal, okay. So that is why you will get a light green color solution from this blue color solution. Copper sulfate blue color solution, you will get a light, and there also you will get the brown or pinkish color of copper deposition, okay. Next question given, lead nitrate crystals are heated strongly. Lead nitrate crystals are heated strongly. Already we have discussed, if you heat lead nitrate, that will produce lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, formation of oxygen. Now you have to balance it, the PbO, twice PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Okay, so this is yellow in color, so you will get a yellow residue, okay, and a gas is formed that is acidic in nature, okay, turns Ki paper brown, okay, and this nitrogen dioxide gas is reddish brown color. So reddish brown color gas will be formed, that you have to write. So these are the observation. Okay, in case of observation, many students are writing only the reaction. Okay, actually observation you have to write what you are observing. Suppose there may be color changes, there may be formation of gas, there may be sublimate formation, like this thing you have to write. Okay. Next question given, that ferric chloride crystals are exposed to atmosphere for some time. So ferric chloride is also 10% compound, okay. So it will absorb moisture from the air and dissolve in it, okay, and you will get a saturated solution of ferric chloride. Ferric chloride color is deep brown color, okay, so you will get a deep brown color solution. Okay, next question 5. Blue copper sulfate crystals are heated. Blue copper sulfate crystals are heated, okay. So if you apply heat to blue copper sulfate crystal, actually it contains water crystallization, CuSO4.5H2O, then water vapor will come out, okay, CuSO4 plus 5H2. Water vapor will come out from these blue vitriol crystals, okay, and definitely there will be color change. This is blue color, and it is a crystalline compound, it will be amorphous white color, anhydrous copper sulfate or amorphous white solid will be formed. So in this way you have to write the observation. Okay, you can write reaction to give the complete answer. Okay, but observation, what you are observing, that you have to write. If you are not writing this observation, you will not get mark. Okay, even you are writing the correct balance equation. Next question is given, state Boyle's law, that already we have discussed. And what is standard temperature and pressure? Also you know that standard temperature is 0 degree centigrade or 270 Kelvin, and standard pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure or 760 mm of Hg, or you can tell 760 centimeter of Hg. Next one numerical is given, that calculate the percentage of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate. Okay, these numericals you have to solve. Okay, here I am solving. Percentage of nitrogen you have to find out. First, ammonium nitrate molecular mass you have to find out. Nitrogen is 14, hydrogen is 4, again one nitrogen is there, so 2 nitrogen, another nitrogen 14 is there, and 3 oxygen is there. 3 oxygen, 48. If you add, you will get you are getting 80. NH4NO3. You are getting. Okay. Now you have to find out the percentage of nitrogen. So percentage of nitrogen will be what? Total 2 nitrogen is there, 28, divided by 80 into 100. That you have to calculate. Okay. So 35% is coming. Okay. So your answer will be 35%. So in this way you have to find out the percentage of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate. Next question is given, balanced each of chemical equation given below. Next question number G. Balance each of the chemical equations given below. First question is given, a ferric chloride and ammonium hydroxide reaction. Forming NH4Cl plus APOHL whole thrice. So this is the skeleton reaction. Okay. Now here first we have to check that metal number is same in both sides. Yes, we are doing this balance by heat and trial method. Okay. So both side iron is same. Then we will go to the non-metal. Chlorine is there. Here 3 is there. Here 1 is there. So here you have to put 3. Next we will go for nitrogen, as here 3 nitrogen is there. Here you have to put 3. Now you check it is balanced, I think. So iron 1, both side chlorine is 3, both side nitrogen is 3, then hydrogen 12 plus here 3, that means 15 hydrogen. Here also 12 plus 3, 15 hydrogen. Okay, oxygen is 3, here oxygen is 3. It is balanced chemical equation. Okay. Next one is given B, Ki plus Cl2, forming KCl plus I2. So in this case, potassium is 1, here also potassium 1, chlorine is 2, here 1 chlorine is there, here I have to put 2. Okay, so as 2K is coming, so 2Ki. Okay, 2Ki plus Cl2 is equal to twice KCl plus I2. Next, question number 2. This is question G1. G2 is given. Identify the substance which matches description below. Okay. White crystalline substance which sublimes on heating. White crystalline substance which sublimes on heating. Okay. So definitely here answer will be ammonium chloride. Next question is given D. This is A. The gas which turns lime water milky. The gas which turns lime water milky but has no effect on potassium dichromate paper. Dichromate paper. Okay, so definitely your answer will be the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, the gas which turns lime water milky but has no effect on potassium dichromate paper. So your answer will be carbon dioxide. The metal that cannot displace hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid. The metal cannot displace hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid. So here you can write any metal, okay, any metal that is placed below the hydrogen, okay, in the metal activity series. Like you can tell gold, you can tell platinum, you can tell silver, you can tell copper, any metal you can tell, okay. Next, the match the column. So matching is given. Match the column A with column B. Okay, so column A, what is given? Column A and this B. Column A is given causes hardness in water. Causes hardness in water. Option 2 given causes ozone depletion. Causes ozone depletion. Third given that dehydrating agent. Four, causes acid rain. Five, drying agent. Your answers are calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. This is not answer. This is the column B. After writing this, we will give the answer. Next, concentrated sulfuric acid. Next, C is given magnesium bicarbonate. Option D is given chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Option E is given nitrogen dioxide. So definitely here causes hardness in water. Okay, it will be magnesium bicarbonate. That will be the answer. But in exam time you will write side by side. This question is given, you will write causes hardness, right side you will write magnesium bicarbonate. You will not show in this way. Okay. Next, causes ozone depletion. Definitely it will be the CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon. Next is dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent, here you have to write that concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay. And causes acid rain. Definitely it will be nitrogen dioxide. Okay. It is reacting with water forming nitric acid and nitrous acid, and drying agent you have to write calcium oxide. So in this way today we have completed the specimen paper. Okay, section 1. Okay, next day we will discuss the section 2. Okay, so in this way you have to practice the whatever questions are given in your book. You will get 3 specimen paper at the last part. That also 1 is solved and 2 are not unsolved. Okay, so that you have to practice and read the book thoroughly line by line and practice the exercise. Okay, so thank you for the watching today after this.